What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Dive Time Watch Reviews, and today's pretty special. I've been running around all day and I come home and there is a package, and of course, well, we like packages. Right here I am doing the raw unboxing of the JWalker TND-761. Now, I've been going back and forth with the owner and this company because it is brand new. This watch is right now hitting the market. They have legitimately just received their inventory like a week ago, and so this watch is the first on the market, and I am being blessed with the ability to be the first one to review this watch. So I'm extremely happy right now and extremely excited because I haven't seen it yet. I just took the brown box off, but here we go. This, I'm crazy excited right now because it's new watch day. And now I will tell you, everybody, preface this, which this is not my watch. This is on loan from JWalker. So I can do the review and everything on it. This is a loan. I have not been paid for this whatsoever. So check this thing out, and we're gonna see what we got going on. All right, guys. So let's open this bad boy up. Woo! Nice logoing on the box. Looks good. The JW for JWalker. Let's open this thing up, and oh my word. JWalker Watch Company. Nice little box. Nice cut. That's a nice little touch on the box for the presentation. It's like we've got their gold case. I was told it's getting the gold case with the blue dial. So wrapped up, of course, we're gonna get this bad boy out of here. We'll move that out of the way, and let's see what we got. All right. So this is the blue dial on the gold case. And I'm not going to go into tons and tons of the details on this because I will be giving this a full review. This is just the first reaction. And I can tell you right now, this thing looks really, really clean. I am a fan. This looks great. So what I tell everybody all the time when I get a new watch, of course, I start looking at it and I want to know really, where am I going to wear this thing? What's it going to go with? What outfits? Is it for scuba diving? Is it for riding the motorcycle? And man, this thing with this Art Deco style of dial on there is just very pretty. It kind of gives me vintage vibes. It makes me really kind of think this is going to be something dressed up, going out with the wife type thing. So when I go to do my review on this watch, of course, I will probably wear this with a suit or something really nice and dressed up. But this thing just straight says solid business as well, though. I could take this thing, wear it with a suit, or you go to the office. The crown, nice small crown right there. These are a quartz movement, but again, I'm not going to go all into that yet. It's a Japanese quartz movement. It's not, obviously, guys, it's not a dive watch or any of that stuff. But this is going to be a really nice dress-up evening watch. The leather, that's a nice feeling leather. It does not feel like some cheap type of leather. This actually feels like it's going to feel super comfortable on the wrist. They've even got on the clasp, you've got the little JW for the JWalker. So first appearance, guys, I'm really, really digging this. Now, when I do the full review, I guess there's even some lume that's been put into the dial, into the hands and stuff. So yeah, I'm not going to get into all the details, but this is the first unboxing of the JWalker. That is the new Deco TND-761 watch, man. And man, it's pretty darn cool. I'm really digging it. Looking forward to wearing this thing for a little while, and you can see that blue in there. It looks really cool. And yeah. So guys, I'm gonna wear this thing for a good couple weeks, and I will do a really cool review video with it, as I do with all my watches. If you dig the content, I do greatly appreciate you out there. If you want to hit that subscribe button down at the bottom, follow me on all of the social media pages. Hit me up out there, and you're going to see this watch very soon on one of the reviews. Remember my motto, guys, it doesn't matter. The price of a watch does not matter. It's all about the adventures and the memories that you make with it. And I think I'm going to make some really cool adventures and memories. I'm going to take this thing out and look super sharp with this watch. And so tune in soon for the review. I'll see you guys with a new review, well, every week, dropping them either Wednesdays or Thursdays, and of course Saturdays are going to be whatever type of stuff. You may see unboxings like you are this morning, or you may see me talking about other types of fun stuff. But that right there, the unboxing of the JWalker TND-761. Looking forward to having a good time with it. I'm your boy Slick Pitts. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'm out.